Energy is a basis of our comfortable life. We can't imagine it without heat, light, and hot water. Energy gives us all benefits of civilization. Today, Ukraine depends on the import of natural gas, the biggest part of which is used for heat production. This dependency can be reduced by diversification of the supply chain and by increase of renewable energy sources usage. Heat supply based on biomass is widely used in European countries. This renewable energy source is used as fuel at more than 800 combined heat and power plants and in tens of thousands of boilers. Today, 13% of heat and more than 3% of electricity is produced from biomass in Europe. It is planned to double these figures by 2020. Biomass Energy is a portfolio of projects aimed at the production and sale of green heat and electricity in Ukraine. It is realized by the implementation of biomass boilers and CHP plants in the municipal sector and industry. Project, as a part of National Project Energy of Nature, is strategic for Ukraine, is aimed at sustainable development and is secure for investments. The purchase price of the imported natural gas is growing annually. That creates stimuli for gas replacement by renewable energy sources, including biomass. Implementation of the project will result in reduction of natural gas consumption by over 5 billion cubic meters per year. The investments in the sector can exceed 2 billion euros. The first step of the implementation of the project Biomass Energy is construction of a biomass CHP plant of a typical capacity of 2 megawatts electrical and 10 megawatts thermal. The plant will annually consume up to 40,000 tons of wood biomass that allows supplying thermal energy to more than 100,000 square meters of heating area. The process of electricity and heat production at the plant begins with collection of the feedstock in the place of its origin. Wood residues are collected and shredded into wood chips in a mobile chipper. Then the obtained fuel is transported by a special vehicle directly to the CHP plant. It consists of 3 main buildings in which the fuel storage, the boiler house, the turbine house, and the offices are located. From the main storage, the fuel is transferred to the walking floor bunker, from which it is automatically supplied into the boiler for combustion. The boilers, which produce steam for turbine, are the core of the station. Steam turbine drives the electric generator. Flue gases are cleaned by the modern precipitator. Therefore, the station meets all current environmental requirements. Electricity generated at the plant is transmitted to the existing electrical grid and is purchased by the state enterprise energy market. The state guarantees the purchase of 100% of the generated electricity at a specially established feed-in tariff until 2030. Heat energy is sold to the local district heating company, which then transports it to the end users. Operation of such a CHP plant leads to annual saving of natural gas by over 11 million cubic meters. It corresponds to a monthly consumption of the city with a population of about 70,000 residents. And reduction of greenhouse gases emissions is more than 20 tons of CO2 equivalent per year. Implementation of the CHP plant gives an opportunity to strengthen regional energy independence, to reduce natural gas consumption, to replace outdated equipment with modern and energy efficient, to reduce greenhouse gases emissions, to create new jobs. The project Biomass Energy creates favorable conditions for investors of bioenergy projects. Green energy is our goal.